So our topic is conjugated molecules. Before that we have discussed about the nucleic acid, and after that we are having topic that is a conjugated molecule. What is basically conjugated molecules? Conjugated molecules formed by the biomolecules of two different groups by chemically, so they make conjugated molecules. Like for example, here we are having protein, lipid, and nucleic acid, carbohydrate. These four are biomolecules, right? So here discuss that conjugated molecules are formed by the two different groups of biomolecules. So when, for example, when lipid will combine with the protein, they make lipoprotein. So this will be called as a conjugated molecules. Conjugated molecules are that molecules that are formed by two different groups of biomolecules. These both are biomolecules. Now it will form by the two different groups of biomolecules when they chemically form. So this will call the lipoprotein. For example, now if protein will join with the carbohydrate, they make the glycoprotein. After that, when lipid will join with the carbohydrate, it will make glycolipid. If nucleic acid will join with the protein, it will make nucleoprotein. So these all will be called as the conjugated molecules. Now first of all, glycolipid. Glycolipid is also known as cerebroids. Why it is known as cerebroids? First of all, glycolipid is made, it is conjugate by the carbohydrates and lipid. It is also known as cerebroids. Why? Because glycolipid is present in the white matter of the brain and in myelin sheath of nerve fiber. So that's why it's known as a cerebroid. Ceri means the cerebrum is it is derived from the cerebrum, right? Cerebroids, because cerebrum is a part of the brain. So that's why it's known as a cerebroid, because it is present in the white matter of the brain and the myelin sheath of the nerve fiber. Glycolipid is also present in the membrane of chloroplast. After that we are having glycoprotein. What is glycoprotein? Glycoprotein is basically conjugate by carbohydrates and protein. Now glycolipid is also known as mucoids. Why? Because glycoprotein is function as the because its function as the hormones. It is function as a hormone. I have also discussed it in previous videos that mucin cells, we are having mucin cells, right, that secrete mucus, and these mucus are also known as hormones. So this is all. So glycoprotein is also known as mucoids because mucin cells secrete mucus, and the mucus are hormones. So that's why it's known as a mucoids because its function as a hormone. Glycoprotein. Glycoprotein is also present in the albumin of egg, the whitish part of the egg, that is known as the albumin. So glycoprotein is also present there. After the number third we are having, that is the lipoprotein. Lipoprotein, basically it is conjugate by the lipid and protein. Basically lipoprotein is present in the membrane of endoplasmic reticulum, that is the gate of the DNA, and membrane of the endoplasmic reticulum, and membrane of the chloroplast, and membrane of the nucleus, mitochondria, and egg yolk. It is present in the membrane of the endoplasmic reticulum, chloroplast, and the membrane of nucleus, mitochondria, and egg yolk. After that we are having, that is the nucleoprotein. What is nucleoprotein? Basically it is conjugate by the nucleus and the protein. It is present in the chromosome and ribosome. So these were the conjugated molecules.